Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so here's the daily chart. We talked yesterday about, for the last two sessions, the bulls, or the bears rather, have been able to establish resistance at the daily mid-band. We said, look, if they really have an advantage, what they have to do is they've got to go down and they've got to try to convert the weekly pivot. So look, the morning was a little sloppy. The afternoon was very tradable, and we still have a market that, in my opinion, has a ton of volatility in it. It's not crazy volatility. It's volatility that's kind of, been dropped down into third gear, which is just really nice. Two-sided trading. It's a good trading tape right now, so enjoy it. We enjoyed it to the tune of about 27 yesterday, and it's just really in a sweet spot right now. So you see the resistance. Let's go on an hourly chart. You can see where the support is. Well, where is it? Guess what? Weekly pivot. Now, they haven't done a full-on touch of weekly pivot, but what they have done is they've traveled down into the 05, 06 area 3 times. Right around Europe Open, earlier in the overnight, 6/4, and then right before the close yesterday, they did 05.75. So 27.05, 27.06 is support until it's not. I didn't particularly want to put out any setups last night, but I had to do a long setup against the weekly pivot, which has paid us a couple of times. As long as weekly pivot continues to hold, that's going to be the risk marker for the day. Risk marker for a setup, a bull bear line for who's got short-term control. The weekly pivot continues to be, and I would say over the past 18 to 24 months, it continues to be the best indicator of who has short-term control over the tape. The pattern throughout 2017 and part of 2016 was you would go down just like we have now, visit the weekly pivot early in the week, establish it either as resistance or support, typically support, and then by Thursday, Friday, you end up with two very directional days after the bears had failed to take out weekly pivot. Is that going to happen this week? I don't know, but I do know that if this area holds up, the chances of heading back up towards the daily mid-band, which is now down at 27.37. So it was an area that we were trading at at 1 o'clock in the afternoon yesterday, is pretty likely. And then the bears are going to have to demonstrate that what we're in is basically a trading range between the daily mid-band and weekly pivot. And you know what? That's fine with me. That's a 34 handle trading range. Like I said, that's a very tradable, sweet spot type of tape. It's a tape that, that we want subscribers to take advantage of. So, again, watch weekly pivot. I'll be out later with some midday stuff, with some wrap-up stuff on Twitter and Instagram. If you're interested, if you do this stuff every day, come check us out. It's a great time to be there. Lots of new people, lots of new subscribers. It's a fun place to trade, and it's a serious place to trade. So if you have never checked this out, come check us out. If you're thinking about coming back, let's go. It's the time. It is the time. Take care. I'll check everybody out later. Trade them well, and I'll talk to you then. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.